Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 2 easy fall DIYs, and if you'd like to see how I made them, please keep watching. For the first piece of decor, I am using this wheelbarrow that I bought this past spring at Target Dollar Spot. It used to be $5, but I got it when it went on a sale. I'm gonna be using my white acrylic paint, also gray acrylic paint in granite gray color, and Waverly chalk paint in color truffle. Also, I'll be using these 2 different kinds of brushes. I'll see which one works better. First, I'm peeling off the sticker. I really wish they put the stickers on the bottom of things so we don't have to deal with the residue that's left behind. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad on this piece of decor, so I am just sanding it up a little bit. A lot of the decor that I already have is white, so I wanted to make this one a little bit different. This wheelbarrow already came really cute. I like the stress details on it, I like the gray details on it, but I wanted to just make it a little more distressed. So I'm taking my Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and I'm lightly just going over the edges of the wheelbarrow, and everywhere I think I want it to look more aged.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
I'm also adding a little bit of gray color just to get more depth and also to enhance the gray color there is already on a wheelbarrow's edges. I found a saying online and I printed out. There's a bunch of sayings and bunch of fonts online that you can find. They're free printables. I'm going to try to link this one in the description box down below. So now I flip the paper over and I'm painting the back of it, let's say, with a pencil. I am coloring to cover all the letters, and then I flipped it back again to the right side and I am tracing the letters to make imprint, to leave imprint on my wheelbarrow. And now I'm using my Sharpie rather than a paintbrush to trace over the letters. I am going over the letters with a little bit of leftover paint just to make it even more distressed and more old. I think this turned out really cute and it's very versatile. I'm gonna use my pumpkins that I have already. They're Dollar Tree pumpkins, but literally I can put anything in it. It can be flowers, acorns, really anything. And now on to the second piece of decoration. This shadow box, 4th of July themed, I found it dirt cheap for only 60 cents. And as you can see, this came from a Target dollar spot as well. It used to be $3. I'm not going to be using it the way it is right now. I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color to paint over the outside of the box. This shadow box actually already looks like a crate, and that gave me idea right away what I'm gonna make out of it. It took me 2 coats of chalk paint to cover all the red color. After it was all dried, I started distressing it using again my Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
I also found these alphabet fonts online, and now I am writing the word apples on it, looking and trying to recreate this font myself.
I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Again, I'm using Sharpie to trace over the letters and the leftover paint on a paintbrush to distress it even more. If you're familiar with my decor style, I really like neat and simple things, so I really didn't want to add anything else to this type of decoration.
What your heart's been told, and I'm not sure that I can tell much more. Lonely heart, hard feline.
I am very, very happy the way both of these turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got a motivation to find things in your home and recreate them or make something out of it. This got me all excited about fall and fall decor. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You know, it helps my channel and also show me you like this type of videos and I can make more of them. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you have that bell notification on so you don't miss any of my future videos. I thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend. Bye guys.